Hi friends, in this session we are going to discuss the revised syllabus of grade 10 issued by CBSE for all the subjects. So let's begin with science. Let's start with physics. So when we talk about physics, first two chapters, that is light and electricity, has no change. That means 100% of both light and electricity is to be tested. Whereas in human eye and the colorful world, the part of colorful world is to be tested, and human eye, functioning of lens in human eye, defects of vision and the corrections, applications of spherical mirrors and lenses are not to be tested. In the part of magnetic effects of electric currents, electric generator, direct currents, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantage of AC over DC, domestic electric circuits are not to be tested. In the chapter sources of energy, different forms of energy, conventional and non-conventional sources of energy, fossil fuels, solar energy, biogas, wind, water, and tidal energy, nuclear energy, renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy are not to be tested. Now let's go to chemistry. In chemistry, the first two chapters and the last chapter has no change. That means chemical reactions and equations, acid bases and salts, and periodic classification of elements is to be tested for 100%. Now when we go to metals and nonmetals, there are slight changes. Basic metallurgical processes, corrosion and its prevention is not to be tested. Carbon and its compounds. Nomenclature of carbon compounds containing functional groups, difference between saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons, chemical properties of carbon compounds are not to be tested. In the part of ethanol and ethanoic acid, only properties and uses are not to be tested. Now when we go to biology, the major changes, control and coordination is completely deleted. Life processes is there for 100%. And in the chapter heredity and evolution, basic concepts of evolution is not to be tested. Mendel laws and Mendelism, sex determination are to be tested. That's all for science. Now let's move to maths. In maths, let's go to first chapter. There is first of all in maths there is no complete chapter which has been removed. All chapters are to be tested, but some topics are removed. In the first chapter, real numbers, Euclid's division lemma has been eliminated. In polynomials, statement and symbol problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients has been removed. The most difficult topic of pair of linear equations in two variables, cross multiplication method, has been removed. Quadratic equation, in that chapter, situational problems based on equation reducible to quadratic equation has been removed. In arithmetic progressions, applications and problems based on sum to nth terms has been removed. Now let's go to coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, there are three parts. Only area of triangle has been removed from that. Now in geometry section, triangles, there are two proofs removed, which are the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides, which has been removed. In a triangle, if the square of on the side is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides, the angles opposite to the first side is a right angle. All these are proofs in the mathematics textbook. Both have been removed. Now the important part is the chapter circles has no change. It has two proofs. Both are to be tested. Now in the chapter constructions, construction of an angle similar to a given triangle, construction of a triangle given to a similar triangle is not to be tested. Now when we go to trigonometry, there is no much change in the both chapters, introduction to trigonometry and application of trigonometry. Only some parts are removed. Now we have learned the part where trigonometric ratios of some specific angles were given. In that, the column of 0 and the column of 90 has been completely removed. In trigonometric identities, only a small portion, that is complementary angles, has been removed. That is, sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. These three formulas has been removed. And in applications of trigonometry, there is no change. Now, when we go to mensuration, areas related to circles, all the problems on central angle of 120 degree has been deleted. And the most important point is surface areas and volumes. Only frustum of a cone has been deleted. Now let's go to the next unit, statistics and probability. In the chapter statistics, there are two topics which have been deleted. Step deviation method for finding the mean and cumulative frequency graph. Both these topics have been deleted. And the last thing, probability, there is no change, 100% is to be tested. Now let's move to English. In grammar, active and passive voice is not to be tested. Clauses, nouns, adverb clauses of condition and time, relative prepositions are not to be tested. Now when we go to literature part. First flight textbook, 5 chapters have been deleted. How to tell wild animals, trees, fog, Mishbil the otter, for Anne Gregory. And from the second book, Footprints Without Feet, 3 chapters have been deleted. The Midnight Visitor, A Question of Trust, The Book That Saved the Earth. These are the 8 chapters from literature which has been deleted. Now let's go to social science. In social science, it's an important thing that Chapter 3 and Chapter 4, that is making of the global world and the age of industrialization, is not to be tested in the board examinations. But the school can select any one of these chapters for periodic examination. So these both chapters are not there for the board exam, but it can come for your periodic exams. Print culture and the modern world has been completely deleted. Now let's go to geography. In geography, the second chapter, forest and wildlife, is completely deleted. Similarly, the third chapter, water resources, is deleted, but the map will be from examination point of view. Map for both the chapters, water resources and mineral and energy resources. Both these chapter, theory part is not to be tested, only the maps are to be tested. In the part of political science, we have 4 chapters completely deleted. Democracy and diversity, gender, religion and caste, popular struggles and movements, challenges to democracy. All these 4 chapters are deleted. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Follow us on Instagram for latest feed of your videos. Leave your doubts and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.